So now we're gonna check out a Class A motorhome. It's a holiday Rambler Endeavor. It's white and airy. We have the dinette with really comfortable cushions. And then we jump over here for feeling a little food coma. On this couch, TV, fireplace is right here. You have your LED lit counter space. Beautiful tile. Then you have your space here and a dishwasher. What? Before we go any further, we have a bathroom.
Look at that.
This is where the magic happens. And now you have your master bedroom. Here we have some closet space, a washer dryer. I love that there is 2 bathrooms here. Okay, medicine cabinet, really cool. Lots of stuff in there. Put some junk in there. And there you have it.